SBI MF Partner Portal and App is an easy-to-use solution for all our empanelled partners.
The Partner Portal and App gives you details about your investors, their holdings, transactions and much more. But what's the point of having all this data if you can't put it to use? This is where our insights will come in handy. They are handcrafted for you. Let's take you through each one of them. Next best product recommendation will give list of products that you can pitch to your investors. These are based on where other investors like him are invested in. Click on each to view the list of investors and initiate transactions for them. Next is Smart Buckets. Here, we have organized your investors in different smart buckets which will help you capture new opportunities and act quickly to boost your business. These are: investors are running out of time to save tax in a financial year. Investors have no active SIP. Investors have zero AUM with you. And much more. Click here to explore the remaining buckets. Click on each bucket to get a list of investors in that bucket and initiate transactions for them. Next, we have investors not having investments in our popular funds. Click on each fund card to check out the investor list. Now, to get insights for an investor, just search for your investor by their PAN or name and you will get a detailed report customized. You will have suggestions on the next best product basis his past investment, his portfolio overview, and what other investors like him typically do.
So get set for a hassle-free and convenient experience on partners.sbimf.com and the SBI MF Partner App today.